Okay guys, I'm here at Cotino. I'm going to walk you through one of the villa floor plans. There's two of the villa homes modeled, and this one here is the Tapestry. The square footage is 1,879, and there's three of the floor plans offered in this villa collection. There's two of them modeled. I have a video for the one next door. Right now we're going to focus here on the Tapestry floor plan. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 half bath. And this one's 1 story. The thing about the villa collection is that it could be offered in the 55 plus zone or all ages. I just want to make sure to point that out. Here at Cotino, the plan is to have about 2,000 homes built, and around 400 to 500 of those homes will be zoned for 55 plus only. And this model can be zoned or can be built in either the all ages section or the 55 plus. And this is built by Shea, one of the largest family-owned builders in the country. I have a lot of history with this builder and a lot of respect for this builder. Over the decade I've worked selling their resales. So this one, I'll take you to the backyard. A lot of them are themed for Disney stuff, and this one's got the mermaid backsplash for the hot tub, and you'll see some mermaid artwork in the house. But the price range for this villa collection is between starting price 1.3 to 1.5. This is a model home, so it's always good to remember that these are not the typical homes you'll probably find after this place is developed. Not everyone throws all the bells and whistles on the home. So just keep that in mind as we look at this beautiful, beautiful model Tapestry layout. And we'll take a look at the guest bedroom up front. Here at Cotino, we're extremely centrally located, and that's good for, getting to the airport, getting to the freeway, but also great for mountain views. You can get all the different mountain ranges here. That's the Santa Rosa Mountains, and then to the west there is Palm Springs, San Jacinto. Something to point out, since we're so central, that San Jacinto mountain I just showed you, that's where Palm Springs is located. And what I do is have a membership for the summertime. I go up the tram, so you can get a membership for unlimited entry fees up and down, and it's a great way to escape the heat here once it gets hot. They got some nice walking trails up there, and a lot of locals use that as a way to survive and get some shade and some fresh air up at the walking pass at the top of the tram. But let's focus here on the model at Cotino. Cotino, the plan here is to have a large lagoon and obviously a clubhouse and all the sports amenities on site. But what is so unique is that large lagoon. And they'll have a swimming section, and then they'll have a large part of the lagoon will be for paddleboarding, kayaking. There will be a public restaurant as well, and the public will be able to subscribe to daily passes like the amenities. I think what I've heard is like volleyball, and I don't know what else yet. I'm just getting started with the lifestyle. But the plan is to have day passes for the public, and some residents or locals have been kind of curious about how that's going to work with the residents here and sharing with the public. But from the sales people I've talked to here, it's going to be zoned off. It's going to be very regulated, so it's not like the public can just run around and use all the lifestyle amenities that the residents here can use. It's going to be its own section. And I live at Trilogy Polo Club. There's a public restaurant at the clubhouse, and the pro about that is that it's just alive, and I think they'll have like a shopping area. So it'll be cool living here, having your own private area, but also having like the public alive feel. So you can just open your door and walk up to a little town that exists inside your community, which I think is great. And they'll have staff regulating the troubled ones. It's not like it's going to get out of hand around here. They got a plan for that. So here is our garage and laundry. These villa collections have these convenient little 2-car garages in the back. This one's got the mini split to keep it nice and cool. And then our final stop is going to be, there's the mermaid art to go along with the mermaid backsplash hot tub. But our final stop here is going to be the primary. And I'll be making videos for all the floor plan models here at Cotino. I'm really liking what I see, and it's about 2 years in. I kind of wait for the smoke to clear and for the amenities to be built, so I'm not just selling dirt, but I am definitely diving in deep here at Cotino, understanding the opportunity so that I could explain it to you, and hope to do the resales once those occur as well. For now, it's mostly all new homes. The models are open daily, and they treat you really nice here. So far, I've been treated very kindly by the sales agents and the concierge up at the sales office. So please come check out the models if you like what you see here on the videos. If you want to look at resales, I specialize in all the resales of Coachella Valley, and be happy to give you community tours or home tours. My information's in the bottom there. One more thing I want to point out with the flyers here, I put them into a Google Drive. So if you go into the description of this video, you can find my information, but you can also find the paperwork that they leave at the models here. So you can download that and get all the information you need. Whatever is not in this video, you'll find it in that paperwork. But thanks for watching. I really am enjoying my Cotino time. Like I said, I think you guys will too. I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.